welcome to our mini vlog.
Go to mommy. Blizzard. Blizzard na naman. Ganito pag pumunta ka ng Walmart o grocery. Ayan. Look where you're going. Sige na ma. Lalagay ito.
Lord, I hated that. Not gonna go outside again.
Oh my god. It's so cold.
It's so windy. You saw the weather out there.
Bakit guys? Wala pa.
Grabe. Di, pagbaba natin kanina wala pa. Ngayon na lang. Nak, ay ayatin na rin dito tayo. May nag-i-delivery, kamatay mo na. Isang order na.
Can I get the usual? Yeah, the usual.
Okay. Dito Anika.
Hello! Hello guys! It's so windy! I heated up. Someone Annika,
TikTok.
why is it? Hi!
Put your some. Put in your pocket.
Hi guys! Today is windy. I go to Walmart.
It's the memory of these moments that follow to the end.
You know that.
Pause right
You know
here.
what happened.
Capture the beautiful moments before they
Phone the mother.
to end.
Phone the mini.
Bye guys. See you again.
Bye. We'll see you next time and subscribe our channel.
Okay, bye-bye.
For watching. See you again.